Active delivery is the last part. If you're there when the customer or client is picking up the car, you go over the invoice with them, what they did, how the estimate looked so good, and it was everything you said it would be. You know, the items that we talked about you didn't do is on here as well. And we'll send you a notice in 3 months, letting you know that, these are outstanding, you should do them, but they're on your paperwork. When the car comes up, you escort them to the car, you thank them for the business. And then you say, in an ideal world, before that, you might ask them, would they like to schedule an appointment for their next visit? Great idea. All the manufacturers want you to do that. However, the reality is most people don't know what they're doing in 6 months. They might be able to give you a time slot. They might be able to do it, but a lot of them say, you know what, I'll just call ahead. We'll do that.